Hello. Earlier on I showed you how to make a perfection loop at the end of a tapered leader. So I'm just going to show you how to make this perfection loop one more time, and I'm going to do it slowly. I've got a bit of green baize, so hopefully you can see it a little bit clearer. So first we get a piece of nylon. This is 25 pounds breaking strain, just for the benefit of showing you how to make it. So we very simply take thumb and forefinger, move it gently like this, so it goes underneath like that. See if we can see that there like that. There you go. And then we bring it around once over like that. We're going to hold that in position like so, so it looks like this. So you have a little loop and a big loop. So, and then you take the tag end and you put it through the middle, gripping it here, and then you take the little loop and you pull it through the big loop very gently, and you moisten it and you pull tight, and that's it. So that's your perfection loop. And I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you that one more time. So I'm going to click that on the way one more time. So you get your piece of line, give it a little twist underneath like that. Maybe this angle might be better. You wrap it around like that once. So now you've got the little loop, hold it between your fingers. You then take the tag end through the center, so it's between the little loop and the big loop. And then you just pull the little loop through the big loop, and that's it. You just wet it. There you go. Will I do it a third time? I'll do it one more time, just to be on the safe side. So I've got to figure out now. Hopefully you can see this on the camera. And if you can, or if you can't, I'll do it again. But hopefully this will work. So I'm going to hold it here. So get my line underneath, go around the top like that, around it once, big loop, little loop, put it through the two loops here and here, and then you pull the little loop through the big loop like that. There we go, pull tight, and you trim off one end, the tag end. That's it. There it is, done. So hopefully that's a bit clearer. And as I said, I have a perfection loop coming from a piece of line which is connected to my fly line with a little needle knot. The length of that line is about 1.5 feet, that's all. And it's around 15 pounds breaking strain, I think. So then, as I said, I have the leaders made, 10 pounds, tapered down to 8, down to 6, tied with a blood knot. And we just do a loop to loop. Actually, to tie a loop to loop, then it's just a matter of, if you imagine this is the loop from the fly rod, all you do is loop to loop. So you put it through like that, very simply. Try it again. Put it through like that, look. And then you bring the tag end, as we'll call it, or the long end, through the loop again, like this. Small fingers and thumbs, because this is a thicker line. Pull it through like that. Come on. I'm trying to hold on to the other piece of line at the same time. You just pull it through like that. There we go. And you pull it through like this, and then it just goes like that. That's how we do it. It's a bit slow, I know, but there you go. That's the way it works. So you have a loop to loop, and then you can take them off quite easily. Just change them. All right. There you go. So I'm hoping that is a bit more clearer for you. So thank you for watching.